door is so tiny.
If you see this, these are going to go over your shoulders. Your head's going to go in the middle.
Okay.
You're going to feed this just like it looks, like this. And then this is going to flip like that.
Okay, should I get in now?
Yeah, so just so I understand so spread these out like this. What I normally do, and I'll get in. Just basically.
Hey everybody, look, I'm in a little box. Isn't this cool? So, I can't fit my legs in this airplane. I have to, it's so hard to get in. I don't know if you can tell, the camera's really zoomed in. But I had to sit like bow-legged with my feet, or like my legs kind of, like my knees spread, and my feet were tucked underneath the pedals of the plane, just because the little steering wheel, if you can call it that, kept hitting my knees. So let's see what happens next. Bye-bye.
Wait, this goes through right here?
Most complicated seatbelt ever.
This door is thinner than my car door. Right?
What's all that being used for down there? Let's build a park or something right now. Real quick, this is like the coolest job ever. So thank you everyone who voted for me like way back when, because I just get to do neat stuff like this like all the time. So a big thank you from way up here. The second greatest thrill known to man is flying. Landing is the first. So it says on the wall at Halapaska's, where I get cookies and sandwiches and stuff.
This is the famous pilot thing, the diamond-shaped scars on your head. Because people always run into that. Dude.
That was scary, but fun. Well worth it. I'm going 1,000 feet up in a carnival ride. Of course I'm scared.